this meeting, we presented data on ENAD in combination with nivolumab on a phase 1 clinical trial. The poster this meeting was really focused on patients with colorectal cancer. This study included multiple histologies. I think what's been interesting is that in a cohort, a large cohort of colorectal cancer enrolled on this study, we have seen a significant number of disease stability. But what we were impressed with is actually the fact that these patients on this study have lived longer than expected. The median overall survival of those patients was more than 12 months, despite the fact that these patients are refractory to all standards of care. So that's considerably better than what you would expect with best supportive care, or even with some of the approved agents in this area, such as regorafenib or trifluridine. Of note, we have seen one patient with microsatellite stability who had low tumor mutation burden, who had a very dramatic response to the combination of ENAD and nivolumab. This patient had a BRAF mutation. So we are hopeful that it is possible that the attenuated adenovirus ENAD is able to synergize somewhat in some patients in combination with checkpoint inhibitors. Yes, I think there's more to be learned. The prior studies have suggested that ENAD increases T-cell infiltration in the tumor and results in an inflamed phenotype, and it's possible that that may result in basically some synergy with checkpoint inhibitors, given the T-cell infiltration and the potential upregulation of PD-1 in that setting. I think we need to figure out what are the biomarkers of response. We need to understand better the mechanisms of synergy and resistance as well.